How to fix Loklok updated version. Is your Loklok app crashing or failing to install after the update? Let's fix it step by step. So step 1, download the latest stable version of Loklok, currently 3.26 from trusted APK sources, such as loklok.com. So clear cache and data. You can also clear your cache and data. This removes corrupted files that may cause crashes. Step 3, check your phone storage and Android version. Loklok requires at least 500 MB free space in Android 6.0 or higher. Install correctly. Use an APK installer for APK files or an XAPKX installer if you downloaded an XAPKX package. Now open the app and test playback. If issues persist, try an older stable version like 3.17.0. Fixing Loklok's updated version is simple. Update to the latest APK, clear cache, and check compatibility and install properly.